Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get more matches on Bumble. Getting more matches on Bumble involves optimizing your profile, being active on the application, and engaging effectively. Here are some effective strategies to increase your chances of matching. First, use high-quality photos. Select clear, attractive photos that highlight your personality. Include a mix of solo shots and pictures showing your interests or hobbies. Write a fun and engaging bio that reflects your personality and what you are looking for. You can also take advantage of Bumble prompts to provide more information about yourself. Adjust your distance, age, and gender filters to broaden your potential matches. Consider expanding your search radius for more connection. Regularly log in and swipe to keep your profile active. The more you engage, the higher your chances of being seen by others. Also, swipe right on more profiles. Be open-minded while swiping. The more profiles you engage with, the higher chances of finding mutual matches. You can also start conversation thoughtfully. Once you match, send a thoughtful message, reference something in their profile to show genuine interest and encourage a response. You can also use super swipe to express extra interest in someone's profile. This can help you stand out and increase your chance of matching. Also, refresh your profile periodically with new photos or updated information that can help you get more visibility. You can also consider subscribing to Bumble Booster Premium for features like seeing who liked you, rematching with expired connection, and extending the time for matches. Maintain a positive attitude in interaction and be yourself. Authenticity attracts like-minded matches. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of getting more matches on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.